We're living through one of the most turbulent chapters in modern finance. The balance of global power is shifting fast, and the world of crypto is right in the middle of it, from Trump's latest tariff war with Asia to mega Bitcoin predictions from global banks. From the Middle East rising as a crypto stronghold to new fears of global conflict pushing investors toward digital assets, this week's headlines aren't just news, they're signals. So lean in, because if you miss these stories, you might miss the next market breakout. Trump's 25% tariff bombshell, Asia reacts, markets shake. In a move that could reshape global supply chains, President Trump has announced a 25% tariff on imports from Japan and South Korea, two of America's closest economic allies. The reason? Trump says it's about protecting American workers and reclaiming manufacturing dominance. But the markets heard something different. Within hours, Asian indexes dipped, U.S. tech futures wobbled, and investors started scrambling to adjust exposure. And here's where it gets interesting. Bitcoin and other decentralized assets began to surge in search volume. Tariffs like these don't just disrupt trade, they erode trust in global cooperation. That lack of trust pushes money into assets that don't care who's president or what's taxed. Assets like Bitcoin. We're not saying tariffs cause bull runs, but they sure help create the perfect storm. Standard Chartered Bitcoin to hit $135,000 by Q3, $200,000 by year end. If you're still thinking Bitcoin is topping out, think again. According to banking giant Standard Chartered, we're just getting started. Their latest report forecasts $135,000 BTC by third quarter and $200,000 by year's end. Numbers that were once laughed off are now backed by deep institutional research. What's driving it? A wave of demand from spot ETFs, pension funds dipping their toes into crypto, sovereign wealth funds making silent moves, and retail FOMO returning stronger than ever. But here's the twist. This isn't just a bull run. It's the institutionalization of Bitcoin. When a multinational bank predicts six-figure BTC, you better believe their billionaire clients are watching. And this time, it's not just about tech or freedom, it's about performance. Bitcoin, for now, is outperforming everything, and the big money wants in. UAE's crypto power play, $34 billion inflows and regional domination. While the US argues over regulations and Asia battles tariffs, the United Arab Emirates is building an empire quietly but decisively. According to recent data, the UAE has attracted over $34 billion in crypto inflows in 2025 alone, a staggering leap and a signal that something big is happening in the region. Dubai and Abu Dhabi have created environments where Web3 startups can thrive, institutional investors feel welcome, and retail traders operate without fear of regulatory whiplash. There are now over 500,000 active daily crypto users in the country, and blockchain conferences in the Gulf are pulling in more attention than legacy finance expos in Europe. This isn't just an economic play, it's a geopolitical one. The UAE is crafting a bridge between East and West, powered by blockchain, and soon it may become the Singapore of crypto. Geopolitical fears spike, Bitcoin as a safe haven in Mideast tensions. Meanwhile, rising tensions between Iran and Israel have created a chilling ripple effect across global markets. While traditional assets wobble in fear, Bitcoin has started behaving like a geopolitical hedge. Following fresh threats and military posturing, gold rose slightly, but crypto traders took a different path. They rotated into Bitcoin from altcoins, seeing it as a more stable store of value amid chaos. This is the kind of moment Bitcoin was built for. It's borderless, uncensorable, and immune to inflationary printing. As war drums echo louder, people seek safe, liquid exits, and Bitcoin increasingly fits that profile. More and more analysts now refer to Bitcoin as digital gold with global liquidity, and in moments like this, that narrative proves itself again. The world is changing faster than ever. Empires rise, currencies fall, and those who adapt early come out ahead. Whether it's Trump rewriting global trade, Standard Chartered betting on Bitcoin's explosion, or the UAE creating a Web3 oasis, one thing is certain. Crypto is no longer a side story. It's the center of the plot. If you're listening to this, you're not just watching history, you're shaping it. Stay informed, stay alert, and above all, keep charting the chaos.